Hey guys, what is going on? It is the Crypto Kid, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about Ethereum Classic. Now, I'm going to be going over my Ethereum Classic prediction 2018 and also kind of giving my opinion on will Ethereum Classic be added to Coinbase. Now, we all know it will be added to Coinbase, but the question is when is it going to be added to Coinbase? So I'm going to go over that in this video and kind of give my thoughts on it because it is most likely going to be very soon, guys. And yeah, so let's get right into this. Now, I do want to say that this video and none of my videos are financial advice. They're just me sharing my opinion and even investments with you guys. So if that does inspire you to research or invest in this coin, that is your own decision. Now, I also want to point out, guys, that liking the video really will help me, and also subscribing to the channel and turning on those post notifications help me and you guys out to stay up to date on my videos. And yeah, I just really want to grow as a community, guys, because we've been growing at such a rapid pace lately. It's awesome. So let's get right into this. Now, Ethereum Classic is currently about $17.10. It's up 0.01% today. Market cap 1.7 billion. Ranked 15th on CoinMarketCap, right? Circulating supply of 103 million. Total supply is unknown. So, Ethereum Classic. Now, I'm not gonna really be explaining what it is in depth, as there's really not much to it. But I do want to point out that it's reached a max height, or a max price of $36 on January 12th, as most coins were reaching the all-time highs around this time. But this coin's been around for a little while than most coins have in the cryptocurrency space. It's been around since 2016, so not too long, but also like fairly longer than a lot of the coins in space, right? So yeah. Hit a nice low. This was a good pickup time, $13 April 5th. And yeah, it was really just shot up all the way from $10 on November 2nd, 2017 to that $30 mark. Now, let's go over to the website. Now, Ethereum Classic, guys, if you don't know, it's basically like Ethereum, okay? So it's basically pretty similar tech. It's just a fork of Ethereum. So it is decentralized. It's a blockchain-based coin, right? Put simply, blockchains provide a way to keep track of digital assets, money, things without the need for intermediaries, so like banks and other financial institutions. So that is what basically Ethereum Classic is. It's just a blockchain, similar to Ethereum, but it's a fork of Ethereum. So they're saying it's a smarter blockchain, it's a network, a community, and cryptocurrency that takes digital assets further. In addition to allowing people to send value to each other, ETC allows for complex contracts that operate autonomously and cannot be modified or censored, right? So basically, they're just saying it is pretty much like Ethereum. There is a little bit of differences in the fact that it's a hard fork, it's not a soft fork. So, I mean, there is some differences, but pretty much as it is Ethereum. It's just a different version of Ethereum. Bitcoin Cash now is a bit more different than Bitcoin, right? And I do not like Bitcoin Cash. I like Ethereum Classic. I'm not crazy about the coin. I do like it. I see some potential in it, especially with the Coinbase listing. But do I really love the coin? No. Because the technology, I've seen it before, and Bitcoin Cash, similar. I really hate that coin, but I'm not going to get into this right now. But yeah, so when is Coinbase adding Ethereum Classic, right? When is this happening? Now, on June 11th, they officially stated, right? Coinbase officially said adding Ethereum Classic support to Coinbase. So we are pleased to announce our intention to add support for Ethereum Classic to Coinbase in the coming months. We are announcing this both internally and to the public, consistent with our process for adding new assets. So they also said recently they wanted to add looking into 5 new coins, right? I've done a video on that. I suggest you guys watch that. It's called What Coin Will Coinbase Add Next? And obviously, I think ETC is going to be that one, but it was more about the 5 coins that they recently said they were going to add. So yeah, ETC is definitely getting added to Coinbase, right? We just don't know when. However, recently, in the past day, Coinbase actually said they're going down for maintenance tonight. So maybe that is when they will be adding Ethereum Classic. And if they do this, this really would make sense because June 11th, they said it in the next coming months, and that was around a month and a half ago. So I was expecting to see it more end of August, middle of August, maybe even the beginning of August. But I guess they could add it right now. But I'm not too sure. There's a lot of rumors saying, yes, Ethereum Classic is adding it. Buy now, like get in, and it's gonna moonshot, because when Bitcoin Cash was at it, it went up 300% in one day, right? That was huge. It was massive. Any those gains are life changing, right? Those are life changing gains. Okay, really can change people's lives, and that's why it's such a big deal to figure out when a Coinbase is adding it, because Coinbase is such a powerful marketplace that the biggest one people buy cryptos, right, with their bank account with. And that's why it's so important, because since there's only 4 coins on there right now, once another coin gets added, that's millions of more people seeing that, and millions of more people probably investing in it, right? So, and it's pretty similar to Ethereum, which is a safe bet for people. They don't want to invest in something they don't really understand, and which is why I think Coinbase is interested in Ethereum, like they were interested in Bitcoin Cash. I don't really know why they wanted Bitcoin Cash, but they did, right? Because it was a success. Instantly shot up like crazy, right? So I believe Ethereum Classic could be added in the next couple of days, especially with the maintenance going on. However, guys, no one really knows. But I did want to draw some attention. Maybe some of you guys didn't even know this was happening. But if we go over and look at the Ethereum Classic chart right now, we can see, right, that it is a pretty decent buying time. The MACD is signaling a bearish trend, kind of. The RSI is close to 33, so almost underbought. These are day candles, right? These are just moving averages, mainly, sorry, for Bitcoin. So really, these indicators don't really matter that much, just because most coins follow Bitcoin, especially Ethereum Classic, right? It usually follows Bitcoin quite closely. But the reason I'm looking at this now is because with Coinbase listing, it doesn't matter what BTC is really doing. If it's listed on Coinbase, like, it's gonna moon, right? It's gonna moonshot. And that's another question. When will Ethereum Classic moonshot? So I think whenever it gets added to Coinbase, right? Because I see it definitely going up over 100% in one day. Easy. If not more, right? I don't know if it's gonna get to that 300% level, especially with not many people searching up Bitcoin right now based on Google Trends and stuff. Nothing as close to it as it was in December and November and around Christmas time. Everyone's finding out about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and everyone was instantly downloading Coinbase because it's the easiest way, right, on their phone. It's very easy interface, and you get your cryptocurrency instantly. So I think it would definitely do good once it gets to Coinbase. Maybe not as good as Bitcoin Cash, especially since it doesn't have Bitcoin in the name, right? Bitcoin's the most popular thing. It's what everyone knows. And a lot of people know, if they know Bitcoin, most people may know Ethereum too. However, it's not as popular as Bitcoin, especially for the new investors, right? So that's my take on it. If we go over to the Bitcoin charts to see how the market's doing, it's actually doing, it was kind of going in a bearish trend. Well, not a bearish trend, but it was looking not so good. We were kind of expecting a fall to the support, but it didn't even touch one of our supports. It went to like 7,850 earlier today, and then it shot back from that point all the way to 8,200. So right now it's 8,200. The MACD, if we actually, sorry, let me just reload this. If we reload it, let me go to Bitcoin, just because I want to get a live feed for you guys. So yeah, we can see here, guys, and usually what happens, and it was very strange in the fact that it actually did this, and many people have been saying that when these the 30 and 50 day moving average, when the 30 moving average comes over the 50, for the last 4 times it has signaled a bear market, and when it did that, it instantly went down. But I think we're still in a bull market. But as you see here, it did that there, bear market. It did it here, bear market, and it did it here, bear market. So that was kind of freaky. But you have to see also here, when it was in a crazy bull market here, the 30 moving average was over the 50 the entire time, but the market just did not care, and I think that's what we're going to have here, because I really believe in this bull market we're having. I think it's time for cryptocurrency to bounce back and really start making moves, especially with that ETF right around the corner. Even though the Winklevoss ETF did get rejected, but that's not even the one I care about, or most people care about. We care about the SIBO one. We want the SIBO one to get approved, because if it does, it's going to be crazy. But there's no really confirmation on it getting approved. Many people think there's like an 80-90% chance of getting approved. I see more 70%, but that's me. But I'm very bullish, guys, about this. Stay bullish, because as long as we stay bullish, the market will stay bullish, right? It's up to us. The way the market moves is our emotions, right? Our intentions. If we keep investing, right? If we keep believing in cryptocurrency, it's going to keep going up. That's just how it goes. And yeah, so as you see, it's getting closer to the 200-day moving average, and every time it got there, it has been bouncing off of it and going down. But also, when it was in this bull market, it did not care. It was right over it. So I think it's going to do that, right? Especially with an Elliott wave kind of forming here. We got the one leg up, second leg up, and if it corrects itself and starts moving up again, we can kind of confirm that little Elliott wave. But yeah, that is my opinion, guys, right now on Ethereum Classic. I think it will be added to Coinbase very soon, in the next 10 days to a month, right? Or even tonight, if that maintenance thing is really going on. But yeah, that's Ethereum Classic. Basically the same thing, Ethereum, just a hard fork of it. It is a good coin. It's a very good coin, because it's got Ethereum in its name, and it's going to be an easy coin, right? It's nothing crazy, nothing advanced, really advanced, or life-changing cryptocurrency, but it is one that investors will like, because it's closely related to Ethereum. It's very trusted. It's very secure. Very it's already got good reputation, right? And that is a good thing, especially in cryptocurrency. So that's my opinion. I think my prediction for Ethereum Classic, if it gets added to Coinbase, or just by the end of 2018, I'm gonna say it's gonna be $50 plus. I think that's quite doable, especially if this bull market continues, and if it gets added to Coinbase, it's a no-brainer that's going to do that. However, you guys, you might see that as optimistic. I see that as pretty conservative, maybe in the middle. But if it doesn't do that, that's okay. That's just my price prediction. You guys don't have to agree with that. But yeah. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really did hope you enjoyed this video, as I love making videos for you guys, and it really just, all the support, all the likes, comments, subscriptions, really inspires me to make more videos, right? So please comment below what you think of this video, what you think of Ethereum Classic. I'd love to comment back to you guys and really just have a discussion, because that's what I want to do, right? That's why I created this YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day. And also, if you want to buy some cryptocurrency, there is going to be a Coinbase link that will give you $10 for free. So if you do want that, you might as well get that. But if you don't, that's fine. So yeah, peace, guys. I'm out.